How to get image ID on Roblox. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get an image ID on Roblox. To get that, first of all, open any web browser of your choice on your device and in the search bar type in roblox.com. Once you have entered this keyword, press on enter key of your keyboard to search for it. And within a while, you'll be taken to the official website of Roblox. You ensure that you are logged into your account. Now once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. In this page at the top, you will be able to see some options. Simply click on this create option and then you will be redirected to the creator hub page. In this page, now again from the top, you will need to select the option store. Once you click on it, you will be presented with the categories of models, plugins, audio and many more. From the top again here, select the decals option to browse the available image. Now from here, you can either search for a desired image or scroll through these decals until you find the one that you like. Once you find the one you like, simply click on it, and once you reach inside it, here now in the search bar, you will be able to see this link. In the middle section of the link, you will be able to see the series of numbers. This is the ID of that image. Now you will need to simply highlight it and press on Ctrl C in order to copy this ID. You can now use this ID in Roblox Studio or other areas where you want to apply the decals. So this process helps you to easily find and utilize various images within the Roblox games. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.